Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic Z from Magic West Tarot, and this is your February love and work forecast for Geminis. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know a Gemini, you can cross watch it for them. Subscribe Magic West Tarot, friends. Like and share. Yes, friends, we need your support. Because if you want me to post daily, you have to support me, friends, because that's how life is, Support, you give support, you get it back, right? I'm here supporting you. Please support me, our channel also. That's sad, but that's how the YouTube works. You have to like, share, subscribe to help us stay here. And also, friends, make sure to subscribe because you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One person will be selected for a free reading, and this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. For personal readings, if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website, join us on Instagram, Magic West Tarot. And friends, let's begin. For Geminis, I'm super excited. Let's see, Geminis, how your month of February will be for Geminis. And for Hindi Urdu versions of the readings, please check the other channel. I'll be posting soon there. Magic West Tarot Hindi, that's where I post them. So, theme of the month of February for Geminis, let's see. Oh wow, it's your own energy, the King of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. Wow, friends, you are coming out of a lot of money issues. I think January, you were really trying to be very strong, Geminis. You were trying to lead, take charge of your money situation, of your love life. I think you had some trust issues in January, and you also had some financial worries, but you are coming out of that in the month of February. You are going to lead. Look at that. And you are going to earn your success. You are going to snatch that success of yours. You are going to achieve it. You are going to be very successful. And you're focused on it. You want it at all costs. This money, this love, this success. You deserve it. The month. Wow, see the High Priestess. Listen to your intuition, friends. Listen to your intuition. This month in February, your wisdom, your knowledge will increase. And this will help you to increase your finances, your emotional stability. So your finances and emotional, stability both will improve, Gemini. The Empress, you might be starting something new. And also you might also be, if you are married, there is a chance of pregnancy, getting married, or having a baby, expanding your family, Geminis. Woohoo! So get ready. Also, friends, you will be working on yourself, your dreams, your goals, and you will know what to do. You are feeling very, very creative this month. February is also very creative. February is also when you feel very balanced, soft as well as powerful. So Geminis, it is a very intense month for you. It is a very important month for you. I see you working on new dreams, on new goals, or something you already started. You will take it forward. So let's see your love life, Geminis. What happened in the Geminis' past, in their love life? Oh wow. There was a new relationship that started in the past. Or you felt like in some past relationship there was a new start in the, for you, Geminis. You loved this person, I feel. You loved them a lot. There was hope in this connection. You felt very excited with this connection. But Five of Wands, there was a lot of arguments. Soon the love turned into fight. A new connection could have turned sour for you in the past, could have turned conflicting. A lot of issues happening, a lot of fights happening. It was like you were all ready to give your heart to this person, but nah. That person was like, no, I am not ready. There is a lot of fight, there is a lot of argument. What happened in their past for Geminis? This person put you in a third party. They hurt you, Geminis. They hurt you so badly. I feel for you, Geminis. You were counting so much. Your heart was overflowing with love for this person, but something went off. Something went off. Maybe they put you in third party, or maybe they just weren't ready, or maybe you were just too different, because a lot of fights happened. Let's see what's happening currently for you, Geminis. Yeah, you are focusing on yourself. Gemini, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or maybe an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person yourself, just like you, a Gemini. So right now you feel very restricted. You feel like this connection is gone. There is no hope. You don't trust that person. You feel that person is keeping you are in no contact with your person. They are keeping away from you in a long distance. You are focusing on yourself because you don't see any other thing you can do in this connection now, because your person is scared. They are not reaching you out. There seems like no contact, so you are focused on yourself, Geminis, and that's good. And I think this person is keeping an eye on you, Gemini. They are trying to, they are seeing what you are doing, Geminis. They are seeing your power, your success, your confidence, your social media, but they are not messaging you or taking an action towards you, but they are watching you as you move forward towards your growth, towards success. What will happen in February for Geminis? Oh my god. Wow, 10 of Cups. Wow, ultimate success, happiness. And the Two of Wands and the Lovers. Wow, I do feel, Geminis, there will be a choice for you in the month of February. Love is coming for you. You might this person will come back. They want to talk to you. They will be a more mature person. They will behave more maturely, and they want to have a family with you, or they will behave more sweetly, so that there can be love and harmony in this connection in February. Definitely there is a lot of sexual chemistry in this connection, a lot of sparks, sizzling connection. And I think you both will act a little more mature than the past time. Like here this person, your person, Gemini, they were fighting, they were immature, they were not behaving right. But in February, you can count on them to be more stable, to be more dependable, and to be more, sweeter towards you. Also, I feel you might meet someone through marriage, arranged marriage proposals through family. So that is also there. You might meet someone through family. So that is also there. If you are already married, your marriage will become a little stable. If there is a lot of conflict, it will become stable. So who is coming towards Gemini in February? Wow. Yeah, definitely someone who ended things with you, who is in no contact with you and long distance, who is watching you and not messaging you, keeping you in long distance, no contact situation. That person, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, this person could be friends with you, or this person is asking your friends, like, how you are doing. They are keeping an eye on your social media. I also feel that someone new is also trying to reach out to you, Gemini. Someone you work with, or someone who is a secret admirer. They might try to reach out to you in the month of February. What is the block that will happen in February for you? Yeah. You are very focused on your work, Gemini. You're very focused. You want success. You want like marriage or commitment or future security. You are very sure on what you want. And the block will be like, you may feel like your nah, love is boring, you don't enjoy it, or your person is taking too long, they are keeping you waiting. You might get bored of love. You might also try to resist love from coming into your life by saying you are very busy, you are very practical, you don't need love. So those are the blocks which are affecting you, Geminis. But also, you might be very focused on your future rather than the present moment. Like you want marriage, so you will not accept anyone new, because if they don't commit marriage, you are like, bye bye. So, what blessings are coming for Gemini? Wow, balance and chariot. I think you might be able to, someone from long distance might meet you. They might call you, or you might have to travel with them. You might get to spend a holiday or a weekend with them, or you might someone new might take you out on a long drive or something. I see a lot of movement coming in your love life and balance as well. So congratulations, Gemini. Things are steaming up for you. So let's see some advice for you, Geminis. Advice for Geminis. Okay, let me just pick that up. So the cards that flew out was transformation, foundation and achievement, and material and spiritual prosperity. First things are is that Gemini, you are very busy at work. You are going places at your work and with your money. So you will have to choose between love and work, where how much time you want to focus on love, because you are busy. Also, Four of Wands, marriage is very important to you. Marriage, commitment, or anyone who promises marriage is good for you. Transformation, things are changing for you, big things. The way you think and feel about life and love is changing, and someone is also changing. Clarify the transformation. Stand your ground, don't give up. Yeah, earlier you had to settle for less, Geminis. But this time, people have to rise to you, to be with you. So that's incredible. Don't be this empress or this emperor. Don't settle for less. What will happen for Geminis in February in their work and career? Success is coming for you, friends. Victory and success. Obstacles and challenges. And the heart chakra. Wow, this is beautiful. I feel like, you will be successful in February in your work. You are waiting for some news and messages regarding a promotion, or you are waiting for some extra money to come your way. It will come, friends, it will come. But there will be some delays in money coming your way. Also, you have to be a little careful in your work decisions and your career decisions. Don't try to be too smart or too quick, impulsive. Don't do that. You can face some problems otherwise. And be polite in your communications, Gemini, because you are very strong, King of Swords. Be this empress, be this kind person at your work, in your career. You will be successful. Do things with all your heart. Focus on your heart. Focus on the joy. Some of you are like a bit upset that you are not getting enough money as much as you deserve. But some of you should focus on your heart. At least you are doing something you enjoy. And the more heart and love you put into, that is, the more success will come to you. So yeah, be a little patient with your work and career. Let's see some extra messages for Geminis for February. Money is coming, friends. Just a bit of a delay, but I think by the time mid-February, you will get money-related news. Relief. Let's see. Marriage. Yes, some of you are getting married in February, or you already got married in February in the earlier years. Marriage is big on for you. You know, everything revolves around marriage. Wind chimes, peace and harmony is coming, yeah. End of worries. Vulture, depression, anxiety, health issues affecting. You have to take care of your health. Victory is coming. Staff, you will be taken care of in a difficult situation. Yeah, you have a lot of support. Mountain road, you can take the road to success. Money path, a path with money is waiting for you to open. See, some money is coming. Some delays, but it will come. Owl, good advice from a wise person. Yeah, I could be that person who knows. Just kidding. You might help a friend, or someone might help you. Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. Peacock, be aware of great pride. Okay. Pineapple, reconciliation. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, Gemini. That's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Mystic C saying bye.